at this little guy, eh? Can we get subscribed for the kitten, eh? Let's leave him alone for now. Anyways guys, what's up? How are you doing? We're going to look at Terra LUNA Classic today. Let's get right into it. No nonsense, no sensationalism crap. We're just going to talk about Terra LUNA Classic the way it should be. So, Terra LUNA is up 3.58%. We can see $609 million market capital. Really? Every time I make a video, it's either the gardener or a freaking car alarm. Anyway, so what's going on? We're up 2.42% against Bitcoin. We're up 0.62% against Ethereum. Hope you're doing great, by the way. I know the crypto markets have been quite shaky recently. I personally don't think there is anything to worry about. So zooming out 3 months ago for Luna Classic, you can see we are still exponentially up. We are trading sideways and consolidating at the moment at a very critical support level. So let's have a little look at this, because at the moment we're still getting a lot of juicy volume come in. 14% up over here on the Binance, 6% up on FTX, 3% up on Huobi. So it's still looking pretty juicy in my opinion. We are getting that healthy volume in, and I think traders did identify a key accumulation range around this support level, which we're going to have a look at in a moment. Terra LUNA Classic Twitter. Something special will happen to the Luna Classic price in the next few weeks. You can see lots of people are speculating that we're going to really remove another zero here. I think people are getting a little bit impatient and tired, but there's always that little drop of hope that comes back as soon as you start to see those green candles. We can also see here breaking news for Luna Classic. We just crossed 50% voting power on V22. Retweet for more voting power. So this is EK826 in the Discord. He said, I'll see if I can share the spreadsheet. Thanks, boss. Also, we crossed 50% of the voting power. So that's super, super bullish, of course, for the whole Terra LUNA Classic ecosystem. Now, I want to talk to you about this, because this is what's really important in my opinion. We can see last 4 days, we've seen continuous green candles, right? So we bounced off this key level of support right here that we were talking about at $0.000085. You can see here, 13th of July, we had the FUD. We had some more FUD over here, 26th July, and we bounced off this range perfectly. So yet again, it proved to be a very nice range to buy into Terra LUNA Classic, offering a nice 8.38% pump to the upside. So we finally flipped this back into support. That's really critical. We've now got 0.0009 as a support level again. If we can maintain here, things should start to look quite good for Terra LUNA Classic over the next few days. We didn't quite hit oversold on the RSI, which is also a good thing, as it's never usually comfortable or a good thing when we do get oversold too quickly or overbought too quickly. We've got some good volume as well at the moment. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, again, I said to you, happens every time. When you're underextended on this Bollinger Band, for instance, it happened here, it happened here, it happened here. Usually it does present a good time to go long, right? And we can see effectively it has. It's proved yet again that when we are underextended on the lower band of the Bollinger Band under the 20-day moving average, you can see that we do get that bounce. So we're just consolidating at the moment. Let's check out the 4-hour time frame, see what's also going on. Just putting through higher lows, higher highs. It almost looks like a bit of a formation of a symmetrical triangle right here. It's quite hard to draw out with these volatility wicks. But I do think, we are on the verge of at least retesting this 0.935 level. And if we can break to the upside here, we'll get continuation to the upside to about 0.00009822. And therefore, if we can break that resistance, that's when we can still see another wave up to these higher levels at 0.00018. But that's going to take, a big bullish reversal on the macro scale. We need to see the DXY come down. We need to see interest come down. We need to see more price catalysts in the market. So there's a lot of things that are really happening. Luna Classic is going to be here to stay, but I still think seeing a market capital for this project of anything over 5 billion, it's going to be very, very difficult. Think about it, a lot of trust, integrity was lost, for the whole community. Do Kwon, the Terra LUNA crash in May, it was so deleterious on the whole blockchain market. If you think about it, they probably wiped about 20-30% valuation of the whole crypto market. I like to call them black swan events, just like with COVID-19 in March 2020. So yeah, that's what I think is happening at the moment for Terra LUNA Classic. We have clearly got this symmetrical triangle that's forming. Bullish scenario, we break out up to here at the 9.8 level. The bearish scenario, we lose support. We retest here at 9.05. We come back down, see continuations to the 8.52 levels, which I think is less likely on the scenario. But yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Make sure you get into my Discord channel, come say hello. We've got a nice community forming. People have been making thousands of some of my calls and my pre-sale calls as well, so get yourself in there. Come say hello in the Telegram too. Check out all the crypto news and insights. Before we leave, we're just going to look at the BLX chart on the Bitcoin logarithmic regression band. I still think Bitcoin is looking rather healthy, and should this be the same as over here in March 2020, this June 2022 phase, I think we are now in the orange zone, which means we're in consolidation. We're still in a bear market, we're very undervalued, and it does mean we will get that continuation to the upside slowly. Once we get back to the 49k levels, that's when I anticipate we'll get that continuation to the upside, and we'll go back into the green phase, which means parabolic rallies. So for my opinion, let's see what we could possibly hit in 2025. I think pragmatic targets will be looking at between the 2.272, 3.618 Fibonacci extension price targets. So in my opinion, anywhere between $130,000 and $200,000 could be very realistic by the next Bitcoin cycle. Remember, bear markets are your friend. Do accumulate in these undervaluation ranges. We see the DXY slowly coming back down, which is good. And yeah, just keep an eye out on all of your indicators. Crypto fear and greed index, like this one right here, really good indicator. As we see, we're just sitting in fear at the moment. Another important thing to consider. So as always, I appreciate all the new viewers around here. You guys are great. Make sure you do leave your feedback. What do you think will happen of Luna Classic in the next few days? Anyways, that's me finished. Make sure you check out down below the links for VPNs, everything you need to secure and protect your cryptocurrency, as we are seeing a lot of cross-chain bridges get hacked recently. So always stay crypto safe. Much love for now, and see you soon. Bye now, guys.